So I managed to solder that one out. So the battery is in, and hopefully it works. Hopefully. So that's the Type C. It's not the best in the world, but it does the job. So now we're left with I didn't want to make a hole on this guy, so I think we'll test it without this guy, without this protective covering, because otherwise if I do put the protective covering, this Type C, the exposed part won't have enough travel to actually charge the device. So let's see how it goes. So the charging port is this side. Let's see, nothing blows, hopefully. There it goes.